Hello everybody, I'm Bill Owen from Mnpctech and welcome to my second video in the Metro Exodus Gaming PC Build series. Now my goal for this PC is to make it reflective of the world of Metro Exodus so it fits right in place. For a games development team has been more than helpful and inspirational in sharing all types of images and stills from the game. I've also imagined myself in the game scavenging for parts to create my own field equipment for survival. The exterior of the PC utilizes authentic Russian-era controls, switches, lights, labels, and gauges. Everything has been aged and weathered to give the PC a look and feel of being discovered in an isolated or an abandoned factory in Russia. Now, many of you know that the world of the Metro games is a very harsh place. So what I've done is I've modified the Corsair 570X chassis with a new metal armored exterior. And I've also modified the 570X to have Nvidia's RTX 2080 Ti GPU as a focal point through the window, mounted right above the vented side panel. I've also illuminated the side panel with an emblazed Metro Exodus logo, so anyone that's into the game knows that you're a supporter. In the new Metro Exodus game trailers, a steam locomotive engine plays a very large role, and since we're in a post-apocalyptic world, what I've done is imagine this PC being independently powered by a small single piston steam engine inside of it. In my next video, I'm going to be revealing the finished build. So if you're new to my channel, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified when I've got that video up, because I've also got a very special announcement to make about the future of this build.